just works out.
Now do you want to stop and catch it in a different angle?
Yeah, just hang on a second. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Okay. Okay.
The other side this time?
Yeah.
Oh, we want the other side, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
So
This is a nasty one.
Locks now. Dikes.
I got a knife.
This is the common one on your bill.
The bill hook breaker.
Then they'll turn around and take the knife arm out.
Okay, that's good. Doesn't matter either way. Okay, go ahead.
Damn, now it's all dusty. See, this is the
Just go along.
You ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
First note. Yeah. Okay.
So you want us to miss this blue?
The blue fine. It almost does it by itself. Okay. So now we got that. Where'd that bottom one go?
Down up there.
And that. Okay.
It's almost a missing game.
Yeah.
And do it.
This one,
Yeah, there you go.
it's gonna do it.
You got it now.
Okay. Perfect. Let me zoom in on that.
Our disc is still too tight.
Yeah. That's kind of what we wanted, though.
What?
That's kind of what I wanted, I think. I was trying to get a real short tail.
That's He's had him old stand screwdriver.
Stop.